Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. Now I made a second video where I overfought with my friends and it's scheduled to come out tomorrow very early in the morning. So you must be prepared for that. And I'm actually very happy I got my first view on my first video. And if you don't know what that video is, check it out on my channel. It's where I explore and give you guys details about the brand new map which is over there. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out and like and subscribe. And make sure, once again, I'm sponsoring the Animal Company Discord. Make sure you subscribe to Animal Company on YouTube, then head to the Discord for full details on how to unlock this super cool jacket right here, which I'm wearing, as I included in the first video and the second. But our main objective in this video is to unlock the revolver and its ammo. So what we're gonna do is just come over here. We're gonna go to my favorite place where I like to get shards. What else? Let's see, I'll just put the rest in a backpack, but wait, can I get a flashlight and put it? Ooh, I can. This actually works way better because it's brighter than that after they made that like less brighter. So you never know when you gotta deal with the red light, green light down there. So I would normally get a blue backpack, but I don't have any in my inventory. So listen, you never know when you gotta deal with them. Gotta come prepared. A crowbar too would be pretty necessary. Oh, these guns wouldn't hurt. They're actually pretty useful. And I think we're prepared for a trip. Just gotta make the flashlights on. Yes, it is. Alright, let's go. So I'm really hoping not to die, because I asked my friends if they wanted to make a video and they got like super mad. Like they were super duper mad. And I found out why, and it's because they kept dying to the monsters down here in sewers. So that's why I'm bringing a bunch of weapons, because I do not want to die to that guy. He is really annoying. And this guy's annoying too. Just come up here before we die. Really, and then we should die. Let's stop. We'll just come over here. Once you spell, I think they made them faster too. Works every time. Ooh, metal pipe. Cool. What do we got in this one? Cool, flashbang. I wonder if that actually flashbang thing. Right, bet. Let's come over here. I also made one of the biggest mistakes in the video. So I told you guys the code I would be using to record my videos. It's gonna be 0523. But I actually realized that when I'm recording, you guys could disrupt me while I'm recording a video privately. And there's a stealth bomb. I need to alert this guy before we can move on. Where is he? I think he's over there somewhere. I don't know where to go. Like someone over there. Is he over there? I don't know. Just gotta kill the Coda. Also, if you didn't know, the mixed names are actually Coda. Fun fact. Oh, no, he's right there. Go back over there. Go. Whack him, whack him, whack him, whack him, whack him, whack him. And he's dead. Get out of here, Coda. No one likes you. Get out. Get out. Get out. Jesus, there's another one? Yeah, what's good in my game? Free umbrella. Also, if you haven't noticed, the sewers update actually lets you get a free umbrella. Let's save. Oh, kaboom. I go. Oh, I have the perfect idea for that. If you also didn't know, they added Armstrong back. Like, he was already in the game, but like, they added him in sewers. Anyways, let's go all the way back up here. Because I want to show you guys something. Let me just come up here. And then... I honestly want to show you guys something cool that I got. It's honestly very cool. Now, I don't own the RPG or the ammo, but after getting that ammo, I realized something cool I could do with it. So, just gonna eat that because I can buy infinite. Now, I have a backpack here with, you know, an RPG. Now, it's not loaded because my friend gave it to me, but he didn't have the ammo. But now it is here. Look at that. Go RPG. But I'm only going to do this in rare occasions. There's always something I didn't want to do. What if I were just to like... So we put this in there. It's for ammo. Oh, I got that from a friend. Which one is it? Let's do this one. I'm gonna make the biggest mistake in history. Oh, I'm gonna take everything off because this is gonna be very horror. I'm about to turn into a Godzilla, bro. We don't talk about that. Anyways, time to turn into a Godzilla, bro. Oh no, bro, I'm cooked. Right. La da 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 la da. Kabowie! Munch time. Can I just... Oh wow, barely any damage. I am one with the Godzilla, bro. Guys, I think I'm getting a little too big. Holy banana. Oh, guys, this is gonna be a problem. Guys, I think I broke the game. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, man, I'm gonna die. Oh, and I died. I'm actually pretty good. Oh, holy banana. God damn, I went flying. Alright, that was pretty cool, not gonna lie. Now, for the smallest thing ever, bro. I'm about to be so small, cuz I'm gonna have to start getting on this table just for this, bro. So, let's bring out all our broccolis. Luckily, there's this thing called gravity. I want to explode that landmine so I don't accidentally hit it when it gets small. Yeah, man. How do I keep missing? Oh, got it. Alright, now we munch. I'm eating broccoli just like my mother told me to, but I never did it because it always tastes gross. But now I'm eating it in virtual reality and I'm getting smaller by the bit. We have a problem. I'm figuratively getting too small to even get broccolis anymore. So, this is a problem. I can't get them. They're like too short. Well, oh. Yeah, man, I'm too short. I'm literally grabbing it. No! The broccoli, bro. I'm getting too small. Man, this is stupid. I'm gonna. Oh. Hey. Gotta hurry up. Because these things only last for like 2 minutes. Gotta join in public and become short. The way I casually just. Oh, that's the timer. Just join a random and end our video here. Alright, thank you guys for being in this video with me. I am
being in this video and subscribe and like the video, okay? And hit that subscribe button. And this is the best video ever.
Get a load of this guy. Got a load of this guy.
Get a load of this guy. Get a load of this guy.
Join our code.
I saved something. Wait, my Pokemon. I saved your backpack.
That's the code I use for all my events. Anyways, we gotta hurry up and put this video to an end before I cannot post it because I'm not wasting 13 minutes of my time. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I didn't promise that I would get the revolver. I didn't have enough time. It'd take me like 30 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time in another video. I hope you can have as much as fun we had today. Make sure you like and subscribe to me. And you also subscribe to Animal Company. And you join their Discord so you can get this sick jacket I'm wearing right now. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. This is Mr. Dorito signing off.